We're going to convert this nice blue sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper into a set of Tangrams, the ancient Chinese puzzle that's comprised of 7 geometrically interesting pieces. Really, the Tangrams are supposed to start from a square sheet of paper. To do that, I'm going to take this corner right here, and in fact I'm going to take this entire edge and I'm going to fold it over so that it matches up with this edge over here. I'm going to do that very much like this. Now I'm trying to learn how to be accurate with my folds, and best I can tell is you got to watch. I don't crease the paper at first. I keep adjusting the paper, and I'm trying to make this corner over here as sharp a corner as I possibly can. You're going to make a set of Tangrams. You need to start with a square, and paper right out of the box is not square, it's rectangular. So this little piece right here is not going to be a part of our Tangrams. We really don't need that at all. So I'm just going to toss that aside and just make my Tangrams from this square sheet right here. It just so happens this fold we made here is going to divide our Tangram set into 2 pretty halves. There we go. There, like that. Now these 2 halves will each be used to create the 7 pieces. Here come 2 of the pieces. I'm going to take 1/2 of the Tangrams. I'm going to take this corner here and put it up with this corner here. This edge is going to end up matching up with that edge. In other words, I'm doing this. Aligning the corners. Again, I'm going to try to make this bit down here as sharp as I can. Trying to be as accurate as I can. There we go. And here come 2 of the 7 pieces. These are very special triangles that you get in a set of Tangrams. There they are. 2 pieces. I'll slide those aside. We'll bring those back out later. Now we're going to make 5 pieces from this half of the square that remains. We're going to start out by folding this corner right here up to the opposite corner, like so. And we're going to cut off the resulting right triangle. We now have 3 of the Tangram pieces. Now the shape that remains is going to be folded in half. Now the way I'm folding it, see how long and skinny it is? I'm taking this corner and put it up with this corner. This edge will match with this edge over here. So we're going to end up with 2 congruent are those trapezoids? Yeah, like that. I'm going to cut the 2 congruent trapezoids free, like that. Now, one of the trapezoids is going to get treated rather simply. I'm going to take this corner and fold it down to that corner. So it's going to go like this. And so it's going to create the only square in a Tangram set. There it is, a square and a triangle. So here are 2 more pieces. This brings our count of pieces up to 5. We only have 2 pieces to go. The other 2 pieces are going to come out of this piece. Now let me see. Here's how we're going to create this thing. I'm going to take this edge and fold it up to this edge. This corner over to that corner. So it's going like Now this is the most difficult part to get right, I think. Although it's not that hard to get it right. Here's what happens. Now notice what I did here. I had that trapezoid that was congruent to the other trapezoid. I took this corner and I folded it up to here. And I'm going to cut this off. So there's my 6th and 7th piece. Now let's go through the 7 pieces. I'm going to pull all 7 pieces back out here and I'll show you how they went together.